Hello, I'm Ranjit Singh Tint from Logos English Services. In this video, I'll be talking about coordinating conjunctions. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are used to join sentences together. There are four groups, there are four ways to join simple sentences into one single sentence using and, but, or, so. We'll be covering these four groups and, but, or, so in this video. The first group, and group. And group shows addition. There are two examples here. Look at the first example. It has two simple sentences. Ali bought the book, he read it. Now we are going to join these two simple sentences into one single sentence using the coordinating conjunction and. We combine thus. Ali bought the book and he read it. Look at example 2. In this example, we are also given two simple sentences. Jane went to KL, she came back at night. Now we are going to combine these two simple sentences into one single sentence using the coordinating conjunction and. Jane went to KL and she came back at night. As you can see, these two simple sentences in both the examples are of equal rank. Therefore, coordinating conjunctions are used to join two simple sentences of equal rank. The second group of coordinating conjunctions is the but group. The but group shows contrast. As usual, there are two examples given here, and each example contains two simple sentences. Look at the first example. Ali bought the book, he did not read it. We combine these two simple sentences thus. Ali bought the book, but he did not read it. Look at example 2. Again, you are given two simple sentences. You have to combine them into one single sentence using the coordinating conjunction but to show contrast. William is a boy, Alice is a girl. We combine these two sentences thus. William is a boy, but Alice is a girl. Again, the two simple sentences in these two examples are of equal rank. Therefore, coordinating conjunctions are used to join two simple sentences of equal rank. The third group of coordinating conjunctions is the or group. The or group shows a choice between two alternatives. In these two examples, again, in each example, there are two simple sentences. We are going to combine them into one single sentence using the coordinating conjunction or. We combine these two simple sentences thus. Hurry up, or you will miss the bus. Look at example 2. Again, there are two simple sentences, and these two simple sentences are of equal rank, and we are going to combine them into one single sentence using the coordinating conjunction or. We combine them thus. Do you like tea or coffee? As can be observed in the second example, the subject in both these two simple sentences is the same, you. And the verb in both these simple sentences is also the same, do and like. Do, like. Therefore, we only combine the last word tea with coffee. This is the third group of coordinating conjunctions. The fourth group of conjunctions is the so group. The so group shows a deduction from the first sentence. You are given two examples, and the two examples contain two simple sentences. Look at the first example. Sam was ill. He didn't go to work. We combine these two simple sentences thus. Sam was ill, so he didn't go to work. Look at the second example. Again, you are given two simple sentences. I don't have a pen. I can't write. We combine these two simple sentences into one single sentence thus. I don't have a pen, so I can't write. These are the conjunctions used to combine these two simple sentences into a single sentence. The so group shows a conclusion drawn from the first sentence. The second sentence here, he didn't go to work, is a conclusion drawn from the first sentence, that Sam was ill. The second simple sentence here, I can't write, is a conclusion drawn from the first statement, I don't have a pen. Therefore, the so group shows a conclusion drawn from the first statement. These are the four groups of coordinating conjunctions: and, but, or, so. I will leave you with these exercises. Combine these sentences into a single sentence using suitable conjunctions. There are 6 examples here. I hope you understand and you can attempt it on your own. What we have learned in this video is how to combine two simple sentences into one single sentence using the coordinating conjunctions and, but, or, so. What you have learned actually is how to construct compound sentences. I will talk more about these compound sentences in my coming videos. Thank you.